My nigga, the cake is big. My nigga, you can't stop my shine and I cannot stop yours, bro.
Why them want hold down my pick, man? Why no want hold him down? As me say already, and me go say it again. We go find Proverbs 12 and read 22 to 28. And set to no heart free, man, and make my own free too. Because I know my hand clean and my heart pure. I don't know nothing about Rome that. And my son don't know nothing about Rome that.
I want to get it care on the youth career. Because there are good things in the world, you know. And keep treat for the youth them. Give back to him school and go excel, Jahshii to the school, the church, school where him start from. And then I big up that, you know. But the negative things they push out now is like they want to blight the youth career. You know see?
Welcome to Lion Foot TV at the right place and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yeah, man. Blessed love. Blessed morning, my viewers and subscribers. Kings and queens. Lion and lion, speak about yourself. Welcome to Lion Foot TV. We say give thanks to life. Give thanks to another day, Monday morning, you know. Just finish the school run. Big up the father them, we are do the school run. Big up the mother them, we are do the school run. Big up the father them, we try to play them role, you know. Big up the mother them, we play them role in them kids' life, because I don't know. Anything what a man can do, woman can do too. Equality, see? Yeah, man. Viewers and subscribers, welcome to Lion Foot TV. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and click the bell. You know, vlog on the go, see? We do the thing naturally, anytime. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And I don't know. See me? Yeah, man, so. There, man, I know, so yeah, man, I turn on the camera right now and go on reason. See, I'm red, green, and gold. Remember this. Red, green, and gold, never control. Pele kick a ball, now your mother, Too short, I hear jump up and say, goal. I remember that look catchphrase in the school, back in the old days when we go to school. And in the community too. You see me? Yeah. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I love what's man and blessings, man. Lion Foot TV. You see me? Yeah, so this morning, I want to say blessings to all my fans them, my viewers, and you know, yeah, man, subscribers. That's it. Give thanks to the support. You guys, I appreciate you guys. You know what I mean? The support. If I even one view, pick up the silent viewers them too, you know. Yeah, man. Viewers and subscribers, please remember to check out my EP. Welcome to Kingston. Zed? Yeah, man. All of the songs are written by I and I. That's what I say, and I'm looking forward to be shooting a few videos for the EP, 6 songs. We might do about 3 or 4 videos, depending on how the financial budget, how it goes, you know, or the money stays, see me? Yeah. See, so I'm gonna look a snippet.
Yeah, they gonna stop the cry. I am crying for peace. Mr. Shot, I am a crying. I'm begging you, please. Put on the gun, stop the pack up, bye. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much innocent life away. Me tired and me fed up by it. Frustration full up my face. Me tired and me fed up by it.
Yeah, man, them is 2 of the songs that are for the EP. Crying for Peace and we tired and fed up by it. Zed? Yeah, man, we tired and fed up by it. So that's my viewers and subscribers. We just want a quick vibe, because I have to go in now, do a little, some exercise and prepare myself for work. You see it? I know I have to go up on the work. 9 to 5. So me answer? Yeah, so we just want to do a quick 2 topics. Big up Teejay and big up Jahshii. Zane. Yeah, man, first I have a reason about Jahshii. Because I saw his mother and his father. Boy, his mother favor him and father, favor him parents them. Especially his mother. See? So they came out in a local apartment there now. They came out, refuted the claim of any entanglement or involvement relating to Romy, the deceased person. Rest in peace, brother and thing. You know what I mean? Yeah. And you know, they're in defense of their son, their own lives as well, and you know, we don't want a crime to develop or no violence, no gang war for develop in our community. Because you know Grand Spen is a volatile community, same like my community, Payne Avenue. So when the peace is there, let the peace last forever. See? Yeah man, so we don't want a war, we don't want a violence. But when the news first broke out, you know, I became aware of it by On The Spot News Media. And I covered it and I said, these are all alleged statements. And, you know, we don't know how Jahshii name get involved, but, you know. So now everything is out in the clear. The mother refuted the claims. Both mothers of both sides refuted the claims, and also Jahshii father. And my advice is to Jahshii, be careful and, you know, just stay focused, stay on the straight side, you know what I mean? Don't get mixed up or caught up. Because you see, I hear your name a call. You are one of the influential person in Grand Spen right now as an artist. Big up Fully Bad same way. My brother Fully Bad. You see me? You have Singing Sweet, you know, you have Jahshii. You have several other artists in Grand Spen, a lot of artists in Grand Spen. See? But you know, Jahshii is one of the current one now who, you know, yeah, getting breakthrough and doing things. You see me? Likewise, you have Boom Boom the Selector, Harry Hype, who is Jahshii brother. I was to say a lot of influential person is in Grand Spen, but somehow Jahshii name a call. So Jahshii, my advice is to you is to just be careful if you can avoid Grand Spen. I'm not telling you if you left Grand Spen or runway or nothing, you know. You see me? Yeah, my brother, so even though we left the gully, don't worry. You know what I mean? Yeah, but sometimes you have to stay on the safe side and just be the bigger person, and you know, you can pass through, but don't try to dead there and feel like say all is well, because your name will be called. And when you don't do nothing, your name will be called. That's what I say. So my advice to Jahshii is, you know, brother, think twice and make the right choice. Zine, I remember 2018 when I did Jamaica do my music. 4 years now. I don't go back in almost 5 years, you know. Wow. You see me? But you know, circumstances and things. But so touching back, man. But yeah, I remember 2018, I was arrested. You know, police raid the area and I look for wanted man. And the wanted man did pass my building, yes, but show us a phone. You see me? And when the man pass, when the youth pass, a police at curfew, straight away. But the youth done gone already and thing, and them raid the place. They come in my house, say them don't know me. And me I say, yo, I ask my born and grow, but they are abroad overseas and thing. Them take me, my brother and some other man, and people them start balling and say, yo, we not go with him. The man an artist, man a musician, the man. But anyway, me know some good anyway, but in the station, you know, the police, the Sarge, come and say, where the artist there? Took me out, dealing me good. You know what I mean? I spoke to them properly and everything, and they ask me which song I sing. I tell them who feels it knows I'm my biggest song. And the man go up on the phone in front of me and everyone. I say, are you sing that song? And I say, yeah man, that's me. And the sergeant said, I don't hear this on the radio, man. Regular man. So how you no boss yet? I say, boy, I try to, you know. You see me? The man say, alright. Hurry up, and when I get the breakthrough, take your mother out of the garrison. And don't trust them boy, you know. And them say man I switch for you. I be a laugh, see you, that could be a laugh now. I said somebody kill them, I say, yo, Sergeant, we are telling man, say man, how are you, man? Hey. And the man say, you stay there, I warn you. That the sergeant said to me, so I just assure you, say, sometimes Jahshii, but you know, Payne, I say straight, but now I left Payne, you know what I mean? But I don't know if we better ourselves and can move out, you know, because we're born in a poverty and live in a poverty. Most of our lives are struggling at the garrison. So when we make the money, why not go and buy a big house and move out and live some good life? We don't want in the old poor life forever and ever. We still are involved in the garrison, yes, but we have to know how to associate and carry ourselves, because we are now celebrity. Since Jahshii is now a celebrity, so I have to know how he carry himself, see? And avoid certain things. So may I say, so that is my advice to Jahshii. You know what I mean? And I wish you all the best in life. Coming from Lionfoot. Zin? Next I want to talk about Teejay. I'm not going to stay long on that topic here because, yeah, I'm going to work soon. You see me? Big up yourself, Teejay. Teejay did a live, I covered it yesterday in a vlog, but this morning, I say, yeah man, I was so inspired and motivated by that speech from Teejay with the information he's sending about peace and love and unity, not the other part where my bash and everything there. Just the unity section. And when him say, yo, share the food, the music business, the cake is big for everyone to eat and get a slice.
My nigga, the cake is big. My nigga, you can't stop my shine and I cannot stop yours, bro. You get what I'm saying? This is dancehall, my nigga. The cake is big.
And I've been saying that for years. But so you know, some people selfish. Not just artists, selectors. This Jackie at a point, but I mean, that's mainly selectors. We're in the dancehall, we're playing the dancehall. Only for selfishness are going. You see me? Remember me take a year man on phone and say, yo, them now a boss, give me the strength to boss me because I go get rich and my family and friend them. I go, alright. Me take me 2 years and hear that. Zine, like a man call him and say, yo, you know play American. And that was the word come out of the person's mouth. Zine, so the cake is big for everyone to eat and get a slice and share the food and live in love and peace and happiness and joy. And those things, when I do those good attributes, violence and, you know, negativity will defray and derail from your thoughts. But when you start selfish and bad mind and greedy and fight against negativity, stem in your mind and it feed onto the community, Zine, and to other youths, youth them around you, because you're going to preach negative to them, they're going to preach, they're going to feed on it and dwell on it and it starts spread out in the community. So when we live good in peace and love, you know, and share the food and help it, yeah man, we will have peace. Peace will be sustainable in every garrison. Trust me, and that me I tell you, man. So big up Teejay for that speech. The man said the cake is big, and the cake is big. Music is big. Music enough for one man. Reggae, dancehall, hip-hop, soca, R&B, Afrobeats is not for one man. So many genres and so many money in it and so many world in the country to go on tour, because you can do your music or your song take off in one country where you never expect. As what Teejay say, him there so right now at one part of the world at doing music, a tour, and the next artist we are fight against him there next world part of the world a tour. So why we can show you how big it is. Music, reggae and dancehall is acceptable all over the world. The few countries them that I have went, I have observed that and seen that. You know what I mean? So if you just live in love and peace, man. Yeah, man, a Lionfoot, man. Is it? I would say give thanks to life. All Emmanuel I Selassie, Rastafari. You see what I say? Yeah, man, share the food, share the joy. Teejay, big up yourself, man. Check say I'm a brother them, but me find out say them a cheddar friend. Love sweet friend killers, I swear off of me head again, but me they one step ahead of them. Me the Jack say them a my brother. Me real to them, but to me them never. I remain the same, me no frightened for fame, but them get it and change like the weather. Boom! Yo, me a collaboration that, you know. I look at artists with it with still. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Even if I forget in my pocket, you know, when I run the racket. Viewers and subscribers, a Lionfoot, big up on yourself. Holy man, I still see. Good shots.